All right, so picked this thing up last week off a marketplace. It was actually free. It didn't work, and the guy just wanted to get rid of it. And I've been looking for one to convert to an incubator. So I ended up giving him 20 bucks because he held it for a day or two just to, for him doing that for me until I could get over and pick it up. So picked it up about a week or so ago and just finished it up this evening and testing it out for the first time. So it's a it's an old wine cooler, and let's see here. It's only been on for about 30 minutes. Just checking the temperatures. I don't know if we can really see. Let's take a look. Okay, so I've got it set at 89 degrees, and I'm showing 88, and then closer to the bottom down there, 89. So yeah, it's seemed to be leveling out. Like I said, it was a wine cooler. So I pulled it apart, cleaned it up, took some plexiglass that I had and made some see-through shelves. And then down here at the bottom, I'm using these little heater fans. Instead of using the heat tape and wrap it around, and the chance of it, I know it works well, but it's kind of gaudy looking. It's kind of hard to, with the way this is set up, to get your shelves back in. And see, the fans just kicked on since I opened the door. So I built a shelf and then set it up to where the fans are on the back side. You can see those down here. I used two of them. Probably could have just used one, but I decided to use two in case one goes out. There'll still be another one. Hopefully I'll have some domestic eggs here in the next few weeks. I got a pair that's been breeding, and it's a small incubator, basically 4 shelves. I don't think I'll be doing enough breeding to ever fill this thing completely up. But yeah, so like I said, this is the first test, and we'll see, make sure it works. Oh, I did pick up a V100 off of eBay to use as the thermostat. I've got the probe hanging under that shelf right in the middle. I put these in there just for the testing, as long as everything kind of lines up and matches with what I'm seeing up here on this thing. Should be fine. I did add casters. I don't like having to pick things up and carry them around if I can just roll them. So its own casters with locks, sealed up. So yeah, I added some LED lighting in the door. It's just one little strand. I think total, let's see, I paid 50 bucks for that off of eBay. I already had the LED lighting. I paid, I think I totaled right at 25 each for these two fans. I already had all this plexiglass from another project. I had the casters from another project. So right about 100 bucks or so. I gave 20 to the guy. I didn't have to. He said he didn't need to, but since he held it a couple of days, I gave him 20. So yeah, I got about 120 bucks in the whole thing. So yeah, turned out pretty good. We're going to leave it on for about a week or two and just make sure that the temps regulate and kind of stick where I want them to be, and hopefully those two are going to give us some eggs. Oh, he's trying to breed now. Anyway, over and out. All right, so this thing has been set up and running for about a couple hours now. We want to just check and see how how the temperature's holding in there, and the difference between the thermostat and what it's reading. And I don't know how accurate all of these are, but I got the thermostat set to 90 with a 1 degree variance. The probe's reading 89 right now, so it's not heating. And then, let's see, that one's at 88, 88, 88. And the one at the very bottom, literally right above the two fans, is 90. So it's a couple of degrees higher on that bottom shelf, which, you know, I probably won't use that as much, but that kind of gives me a good idea of what this thing's doing. So, yeah, pleased with it. And there's the little fans. You can hear the fans kick on when I open the door and the temperature drops. So yeah, I'd say a little bit of a variance there, of a degree or so. I can adjust for that to incubate Euromastix eggs. I think I used to do them, you know, 86 to 88 range years and years and years ago. So probably be close to that now. You know, 88 to 90 probably is ideal. So yeah, tickled with it.